Today I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice template in Xero. This is incredibly useful when you need to make changes to your invoices, whether it's updating client details, adjusting amounts, or correcting any information before sending them out. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into your Xero account so you can access all your financial data and invoicing features. This is your starting point for managing all your business transactions. Next, look at the top navigation bar where you'll see several menu options. Click on Sales, and when the drop-down menu appears, select Invoices from the list. This will take you directly to your invoicing section where all your invoice management happens. You'll now be presented with a complete list of all the invoices you have in your Xero account. This overview page shows you everything from draft invoices to sent and paid ones, making it easy to track and manage your billing. Take a moment to locate the specific invoice you want to edit from this list. Once you've found the invoice you wish to modify, simply click on it. This action will direct you to the invoice overview page where you can see all the details of that particular invoice. Here, you'll want to carefully review the information that needs editing, whether it's the client name, invoice date, line items, or pricing details. It's important to identify exactly what needs to be changed before proceeding. Now, focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots, which is the options menu for this invoice. Click on these dots, and an expanded menu will appear, giving you several actions you can take. From this selection, choose Edit. This option unlocks the invoice for modifications and allows you to make the necessary changes. You're now in editing mode where you have full control to make all the required adjustments to this invoice. You can update quantities, change descriptions, modify pricing, adjust tax rates, or alter any other details that need correction. Take your time here to ensure everything is accurate and reflects what you need. Once you've completed all your edits and you're satisfied with the changes, locate the Update button on the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will save all your modifications to the invoice, and the updated version will now be ready for review or sending to your client. And there you have it, you've successfully edited your invoice in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.